Hi, this is James from Super Bright LEDs to introduce our 24-volt side bin neon flex LED strip lights. These flexible silicone neon lights are a modern and convenient alternative to traditional glass neon tube lights or rope lights typically used in retail shops, bars, restaurants, hotels, and more. The neon's ultra-flexible side bend capability allows you to bend strips into custom shapes. The neons come in a variety of single CCT and single color options to best suit your lighting needs. They are all UL listed and IP67 rated for damp locations or outdoor use. Easily install these neon LED strips using mounting brackets, clips, or rigid or flexible aluminum channel. They can also be cut to length and sealed with end caps for a custom installation. Mounting accessories, connectors, power supplies, and controllers are available and sold separately. For more information on these or any of our products, please visit our website at superbrightleds.com.